Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the DomiHapi Manual Lawn Aerator Tool. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, we'll have assembly instructions, and then of course just the tool. That should be relatively easy to put together. You'll see a couple different parts and pieces here that are easy to remove from the box. The important part is that, and I'm just working to get this all out, this thing you're not going to have to assemble, which is really nice. Just be aware that it's going to be spring loaded, and once you remove this stuff, well, let's do that now actually, just so you get a visual of what this looks like. This one seems to have come out, so we're going to have to adjust that. See what we can do there. Looks like that one did too, so we'll have to kind of work with this a little bit. But the idea is that these are spring loaded, and you're just going to step on it and get that to go like it does. So we'll go ahead and looks like only one is connected, so we'll have to go ahead and read the instructions on connections, and then of course we'll have all the little pieces that we need to help assemble. All right, so just showing you kind of this, because this is an important piece of the assembly process. There is a little opening here, so all you're going to do is just get your rubberized piece, slide it through here, and you may need to bend it in a little bit as far as, you know, here. Push it in, get it through on that side, and then it should be connected, and you should be good. But if they ever, you know, come out, that's just the simple assembly process there. So all four are now connected. So we're going to just go ahead and follow the rest of the assembly process. I'm going to bend it a little bit, but there's a how-to video at the bottom with a QR code that you can follow. But as far as the instructions, they're pretty simple. As far as you're just going to be attaching this U piece here, and then you'll connect this piece with a screw, and then you'll connect the top piece once again with a screw, and real simply just going to have it all kind of lined up nicely with screws. All right, so let me just cover this. To try and get this piece on while this is actually strapped up, you just can't do it with this tool, or I was unable to do it because it literally gives you this much space, and to try and turn it would take about a week and a half. So I just detached these. I'm going to use a ratchet set to kind of tighten them up, but just be aware that that's not a good setup. It should come loaded like this, or they should give you a different tool, because there's just really no room to get in there if this is attached and put these on. It's silly to me, but whatever. All right, so the process is really simple. You're just going to literally step on it, and typically what'll happen is, if you had the typical aerators, you're going to clump up a lot of dirt in here, and the beauty of this little piece right here, this little mounted base, will actually just make sure that nothing actually gets picked up as you aerate your lawn, which is a really nice feature. Makes the process twice as fast, because this stuff usually takes a lot longer because you're stopping every few minutes to pull out the clumps. The handles are really nice. So overall, this is a great product. I don't love the installation. The secondary part of this is this does come with an extra screw, so I just threw it up at the top. So if that messes with you, just get rid of it or put it like I did. Outside of installation, this thing's awesome. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.